What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Band Protocol. Once again guys, another pump, 120% up in the last 24 hours. Absolutely crazy. As you can see, it's currently sitting at $3.45. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Obviously it keeps pumping over the last couple of days, as you guys can clearly see here, since about, let's have a look, the 3rd of November, which was yesterday. Pumping non-stop guys. How long is this going to go on for? Is it going to get past the $5 mark? Is it time to invest? Is it too late? Is it a risky time? Or is it time to sell? If you are on a profit, or should you just hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So let's get straight into it. On the Coinbase website, we can see the market is up just under 2%, but obviously Band Protocol is nowhere near the 2%. It's all the way up to 118% guys. In the last hour it has dropped 4%, but that is very normal, especially when a crypto is doing over 100% increase in a space of 24 hours. Minimal dips in between are always part of the process. You're not going to see it consistently going up in value. Over the week, 205% guys. Again, yes, I know it's showing us the weekly chart, but guys, essentially is 205% in the space of about 48 hours, because he only started pumping on the 3rd of November, which was yesterday, and over the month 165%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,200%, making it over $1 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Band Protocol. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it has been getting a lot of attention recently. And yes guys, I did let you guys know in yesterday's video, do expect it to drop a little before it goes for another pump, and that is exactly what's taken place. Earlier this morning it did go for a little dip before it pumped up in value over the last couple of hours. So let's go into the Coinbase website. As you can see, we've got a 63% buy against 37% sell, and for those of you looking to buy it right now, all I'm going to say is a very risky time to get into it, because it's pumped up so much that it's very likely that it's going to drop back down anytime soon. But let's get into that right now. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Band Protocol at $1.41. However, it is trading at a massive $3.31, meaning it's performing very well, much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term traders like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get into it. Zooming in here, we do have the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative side, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, we should more or less expect it to be trading around the $3.30 target. And again, in between that time, we are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks. It's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so fluctuating at the current price range towards the end of the day today. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the blue line and the orange line slightly slanting towards the positive direction. Yes, even though some of you may think it's going in a straight line, if you look very closely guys, they are just about looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning more minimal gains in value are expected over the coming days. So let's say over the next 7-8 days. By next weekend we should be expecting it to trade around the $3.80, around $4 mark is what my predictions are. Again, this doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. No, we're not. We are going to see red days when it's down, green days when it's up. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome once again seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect an overall increase in value over the coming days, so let's say by the end of next week. So let's move on to the daily chart now. We're not looking realistic at all. Obviously we do have the blue line and the orange line looking very, very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking way too steep, meaning it is unrealistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24-48 hours. The graph seems to think that, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on, when that is not the case, guys. I'm not expecting any major increases from this crypto anytime soon. So in fact, I am expecting it to increase, but it's going to be very minimal. So let's say over the next few weeks, so mid to late December, so let's say towards the end of the year, I am expecting it to head towards the $5 mark is my predictions. Yes, some of you may think, you know, it's going to hit $5 over the next couple of days because it's pumped up so much. Even if it does hit $5, it's going to straight away drop back down. That's not what we want. What we essentially want is for it to hit the $5 mark and stay around that current price range. That's what you call a stable coin, rather than, you know, pumping up, you know, 100-200% and then straight away dropping back down. So these are my takes and my predictions. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, guys, we are getting closer and closer to the green zone, the resistance target here, which we need to hit $6.20. So going through another 100% increase is what is needed for us to hit the green zone, which I'm not expecting from Band Protocol anytime soon. So for the rest of the year, it's very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone. Again, that doesn't matter, guys. As long as we slowly and steadily start to move in the upwards direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, it's done a major increase in value, and guys, I'm expecting it to take a little dip sometime over the next, let's say 3-4-5 days. I'm expecting it to take a little dip below the $3 mark to around $2.50 before it goes back up in value. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Band Protocol, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me a lot of different questions in my DMs in my previous Band Protocol. Keep them questions coming and I'll be answering them in my next Band Protocol update. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on this crypto, as you guys keep asking me to make an update. So these are my takes and my predictions so far. I may be back with another Band Protocol update later on today, depending on, you know, how it performs, if there are any major changes, major announcement or anything like that can have a potential impact on the value of Band Protocol. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel so that you get notified every time I upload. Turn on the bell notifications as well. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on this crypto. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, before I end the video, guys, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.